Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of mushroom soup. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 packet of Knorr cream of mushroom soup mix, 2 1/2 cups of water, and 1/2 cup of milk. You will also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. This simple method ensures a delicious, creamy soup that is ready in just minutes, making it ideal for a quick and satisfying meal any day of the week. Let's get started. To begin, pour 2 1/2 cups of cold water into your medium saucepan. It's important to use cold water to prevent lumps from forming. Next, gradually add the entire packet of Knorr cream of mushroom soup mixed to the water. As you add the mix, continuously whisk the mixture. Keep whisking until the soup powder is fully dissolved and the liquid is smooth, ensuring a perfect base for your creamy soup. Now place your saucepan over medium heat. Bring the soup mixture to a gentle boil, making sure to stir frequently to prevent sticking. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to maintain its smooth consistency. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of milk. Heat it through for about 1 minute until warmed, then remove from heat. Your delicious cream of mushroom soup is ready to enjoy. Your homemade cream of mushroom soup is now ready to be served. Enjoy it warm as a comforting starter, a light lunch, or even as a versatile base for other recipes. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of black pepper. This soup is fantastic on its own or as a base for other dishes. For more great kitchen tools, like those leak-proof containers mentioned, check the description below for links and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.